Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am super excited because I am sharing this Raksha Bandhan makeup tutorial with all you guys. Now you guys already know me, like how much I love celebrating Raksha Bandhan and Bhai Dooj. Like these two festivals are my favorite festivals to spend the whole day with my brother and pamper him and love him and do all good things for him. So this is like one of my favorite thing, and getting ready for him is like, it's a wonderful thing, it's a wonderful feeling. You always get ready for many things, but getting ready for your brother, it makes me feel very happy. So yeah, I'm here with this Raksha Bandhan tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share one of your favorite moments of Raksha Bandhan or any special day or any ordinary day which you have spent with your sibling. It could be your brother or sister. Like Raksha Bandhan is not only for brothers, it's even for sisters, like who don't have brothers and they are like two sisters. So they can even celebrate, and I think that makes me feel really happy that Raksha Bandhan is a special day which you can celebrate with your siblings. Yes, that's the word. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Now without wasting much time, let's get into this tutorial. So the first thing I'll be going with this MAC Fix Plus as my primer. And then for the foundation, I'm going with this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. And I'm in the shade Warm Nude. Now with a beauty blender, I'm going to dab this all over my face. And now for the concealer, I'll be going with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. And again, I'm going to blend this out. And even whatever is remaining on my beauty blender, I'm going to apply that on my eyelids. And this is going to cover up all the lines, veins and dark circles, and it's going to create a nice base for the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder to set my base. Now I'll be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Kit. I'll be going with this banana shade. And I'm going to make sure this is going to brighten my under eye area. And now from the same palette, I'll be going with this brown shade to contour my face. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas again. And I'll be contouring my face ever since very lightly because I don't want harsh contour going on for this look. And now I'll be going off the camera and do my eyebrows. If you wish to check out my eyebrow routine, you guys already know the drill. You have to just go to this eye to see my eyebrow routine. It has not changed like from really long time. So I'll just go in a bit and come back. So guys, finally I'm back after filling in my brows. Now it's time for the eye makeup. So let's move on to the eyes, and I'm really sorry for the lighting. Actually, I'm shooting with only one ring light and daylight, of course. So the sun is just going behind the clouds and coming back. So you can see a difference in the lighting, but please ignore that. I know there's too much issues today, light, sound and so many things, but please bear with me. Now let's get back to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm going to make it very simple today. So first I'll be going with the crease color, and for that I'll be going with the same palette again from like Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette, and this is the shade I'll be going with for my crease, and I'll just go with the back and forward motion. And there I can see some fallouts, so I'm just going to dust this. And then I'll again go with another contour palette, and this is the shade I'll be going for. And this is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade light to medium C04. And I'll be going with this only on the outer V area, just to intensify the brown a little more. And slightly I'll take this on the crease area, just a bit. And now I'll be going with this MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'll be going with this shade right here. As you can see, it's a very beautiful burnt kind of pinkish, like reddish pinkish color, which I already have it in my suit. So if you can see, like there you go, in some flowers. So I'm going to use the same color for my lids today. I've just placed this color on the eyelids. Now I'm going with a brush, and I'm going to blend this seamlessly. And now again I'll be going with this brown and a little bit of that same color. And I'm going to build a nice depth on the outer V area. And now I'll be going with this shimmery shade. And this is a very beautiful pale champagne color. And I'll be going with this on the inner corners of my eyes. And now for tight lining and water lining, I'll be going with this Nykaa Rock Line Kajal. And now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, and I'm going to repeat all these steps which I have gone for my crease and lid. So I'm done with my eyes. I am left with mascara and eyeliner. I don't know if I should go for a wing liner or not, because I think I really like it this way. The smokiness is looking really nice. I think I'll go for a very thin band of eyeliner, and then I'll go for a mascara. And for the liner, I'm going with this Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. And now to complete my eye look, I'm going with my favorite Ride or Die mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I'll be going as usual with the top and even on my bottom lashes. So I'm done with my eyes, moving on to my face again, and for that I'll be going with my blusher first. And now for the blusher, I'll be going with this brick shade. This is the Makeup Revolution Hot Spice Blusher Palette. And now for that beautiful highlighted glow, I'll be going with this Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And now for my lips, I'm going with two products. The first one is a lip liner. I'm going to line my lips with this NYX Hot Red Lip Liner. And then for my lipstick, I'll be going with this Maybelline Color Sensation Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Pink My Red. So first I'm going to draw my lips. And now I'm going to fill it the lips with the bullet lipstick itself. So guys, that was the look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this Raksha Bandhan Get Ready With Me. I absolutely loved filming these kind of look for you guys because you know it's festive season and you can just play with lots of colors. Like I have popped up a pink color on my lips, like pinkish red. I could have gone for a nude color, but I think this color is looking really nice. So if you want to change the color to a muted brown or pink or some nude color, you can surely go ahead. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Don't leave my channel without subscribing. That's going to mean a lot to me. And yeah, don't forget to hit the bell button because you know you'll be notified with all my upcoming videos. I want to wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan in advance. Celebrate with your siblings and have fun. Love you all. Take care. Bye.